Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Subhranshu Prabha Mishra.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of your name? Subhranshu Prabha?
Sir, Subhranshu means the moon, and Prabha means the sign. So it is moon sign actually.
ଓହୋ କାଲି ଗୋଟେ ପିଲା ଆସିନଥିଲା ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ନାଁଟା ଗୋଟେ
ନିଶାନ୍ତ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ
ନା, ଆଉ
କହୁଥିଲା?
ଗୋଟେ କଣ ସେ
ମାନେ
ଆସିଥିଲା।
ପୁରା ନୂଆ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍
Please.
introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Subhranshu Prabha Mishra. I am from Ganjam district, Polasara. By profession, I am a homeopathic doctor. I have completed my graduation from Dr. Abhin Chandra Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Bhubaneswar. After that, I completed my post-graduation from Dakshan Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Greater Noida. After that, I joined as a homeopathic medical officer in Government Homeopathic Dispensary, Chordia, Bhadrak. Sir, after completing 1 year of service there, I was deployed to Utkalamani Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital for teaching purpose. So I am continuing there now.
ତ ଭଲ ପୋଜିସନ ଭଲ ଜାଗା ଇଏରେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଛ
Yes, sir.
ତ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ ସ୍କେଲ ପାଉଥିବ ବେନିଫିଟ ପାଉଥିବ ତ
Is it a class 2 job? It is
Yes, sir. It is a class 2 job.
why opting for OS? ନା କ'ଣ what
Yes, sir.
temporary?
Sir, as you said, my educational career was very simple in the medical field only. But when I joined my government homeopathy dispensary, I found several problems there. There was no own building and own land of
ଆସ୍ତେ
my
ଆସ୍ତେ ଆସ୍ତେ ଆସ୍ତେ
Yes, sir.
ବସ୍ ରଖି
There was no own building and own land of my dispensary. So I faced several difficulties, and our dispensary was running in a single room given by the Panchayat office of Chordia. So I faced difficulties in examination of patient and prescribing medicines.
that should not be the cause.
Yes.
That is not valid cause. Maybe one room,
Sir,
two rooms.
that infrastructural lag is not in my dispensary only. When I attended the review meeting, I found that infrastructural lag is also present in almost most of the dispensaries of my circle, and also the same applies to the other dispensaries of other districts. So, sir, I want to work in this aspect.
It's all right. Whatever you are telling, maybe, but if you will not be successful in OS, etc., you will continue in this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Continue.
this temperament or the attitude should not be there.
What
Every
is-
job has its.
What is your family background?
Sir, my
ठीक है,
father
छाती।
is a retired headmaster and my mother is also retired headmaster.
Okay, okay.
Achha, your hobbies?
Sir, my hobby is scooty riding.
At random scooter riding?
Yes, sir.
Aimless scooter riding?
Sir, I feel fresh when I ride scooty, so that motion gives me
Without helmet?
happiness. No, sir, no, sir, with helmet. With helmet, sir.
Then any achievement?
Achievement, sir, as I mentioned, my dispensary land work was not done. I worked for that, and within 6 months that our land acquisition work is completed. So I think, sir, this is an achievement.
So the doctors like you should be there, so they can achieve something for the betterment of the
Yes,
patients.
sir. That I contributed for my dispensary only, but
Achha,
I
you
want to
are in
contribute.
zoology,
Yes, sir.
zoology MSc.
No, no, no.
Sir, no, sir.
No. Then
Zoology is
Sir,
optional.
optional.
Zoology is my
Optional zoology.
option only, sir.
So how you prepared?
Sir, actually, in the optional, no option was there for medical science at that time when I started my preparation. So zoology is kind of related to medical science. Mostly the paper 2 is linked to medical science, like physiology and biochemistry. These things are there, and also in paper 1, environment is there, which is collaborating with GS. So I thought that this optional should be.
Zoology परीक्षा केमती?
Is it the first chance? Is it the first chance?
Yes, sir, first chance.
No,
No,
first
ball-
chance up to this level or first chance, first attempt in
First
the.
attempt. This is first attempt and first interview.
Okay,
नहीं
okay. good.
तुम्हारा जो zoology theory paper केमती ହେଇଛି?
So ଭଲ ହେଇଛି sir.
ଭଲ ମାନେ କେତେ ମାର୍କ ପାଇବ?
ସବୁ
କେତେ
question
percent?
ଭଲ ଲେଖିଛି sir. ବହୁତ
କେତେ
ଭଲ।
percent ତଥାପି?
ଭାବୁଛି ସାର୍ 350 ପାଖାପାଖି ରହିବ ମାର୍କ
Out of?
350 ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ 500 350 ରୁ 400 ଏମିତି ରହିବ ଭାବୁଛି
ରହିଯିବ theory।
If it is
ତାହେଲେ ଏଇଟା
400, it's
କରିଦେଲେ
very
ତ
good.
ବଢିଆ ହେଇଯିବ।
ସାର୍ 350 ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ 350
ଆଚ୍ଛା ମତେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କୁହ,
ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଖାଲି ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଲେଖିନି ଗୋଟେ
କୋଉ
କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍
ବିଷୟରେ?
ଜୁଲୋଜିର ପେପର 1 ରେ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଭଲ
କଣ
ଲେଖିନି
କୋଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟା?
ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ପଚାରିଥିଲା ଆର୍ଥ୍ରୋପୋଡାର କ୍ଲାସିଫିକେସନ ସେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ ଲେଖି ପାରିଲିନି ଭଲସେ
କମନ ଥିଙ୍ଗ।
ସେଥିରେ
ବେଶୀ ତ
ଡାଇଗ୍ରାମ ଆଉ
କଷ୍ଟ
ଏତେ
ନୁହଁ।
ଭଲସେ ପଢିନଥିଲି ସୋ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ ମତେ ଖାଲି କୁହ।
ସେଇଟା ଛାଡିକି ଆଉ ବାକି ସବୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ମୁଁ ପୁରା
Okay,
ଭଲସେ
okay,
ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ
okay.
କରିଛି
Why you know that one movement is going on for this body and this organ donation. So you are a student of zoology, isn't it? So what is your idea about that body and organ donation? If you donate after brain death, so the 8 organs can be donated to 8 persons.
yes
You
sir
can save 8 lives.
yes sir
So what is the campaign and what is your idea?
sir organ donation is a very good idea to save others life after a person's death and so government is also taking several approaches for organ donation after the brain death and like another donation act is there so by that act we are a person can donate his organs by consenting before death or if the person is dead then their family members can consent for it
So brain death, what is the hour? Golden hour.
so within 6 hours so
4 hours. Anything 4 hours.
yes sir
Accident case, that is 1 hour. The first hour is very important. So brain death which is 4 hours. Physiological death, then 4 hours also. Do you understand? बेले बेले लोग कमार जाएंगे फिर उठ जाती फिर हार्ट जोटा बाहर है actually this happen like that. Sense is there, but body is not functioning, brain is not functioning.
so organ donation there are several problems because of that it is not practiced in most of the countries like infrastructural gap so because of that it
Body
is
donation,
sir
body donation.
body donation for cadaver purpose
Hmm.
yes sir it is also
And
there but
if it comes to you, or you will be given the chance to canvass it in favor of this body, and how can you canvass it, campaign it?
yes sir I will create public awareness that this will contribute to our educational aspect that if you donate a body then most of the then maximum students of a medical college can benefit from that and they will study anatomy and dissection part by
In
donation
normal
of a,
cremation, you know that some waste are coming out, isn't it? In ashes are there.
yes sir
So those are very poisonous. You do know that.
yes
Years
sir
and years that will not be degraded.
yes sir
Then what is the scheme government has
so
introduced?
biomedical waste management is there
Now, what
so
is the scheme for this body and organ donation? कौन है पे incentive दौचुंदी government of Odisha particularly. Suraj scheme,
yes sir
so 5 lakhs rupees to the family, the nominee or family, and Gada Panur. Chairperson.
That's a great thing. Guard of honor also they are giving.
yes
Chairperson.
Tell me something of the indigenous medicine system. Since you are in the practice of homeopathy, there are other indigenous systems of medicine. Can you
sir.
tell me which are they and how relevant they are?
Sir, indigenous system of medicine is mostly the Ayush system that comprises Ayurveda, Unani, Yoga, Siddha and Naturopathy and also homeopathy. Sir, in this system of therapeutics, we practice natural mode of treatment as compared to allopathy where modern medicines are given. So, sir, the source of medicines are from nature and natural combinations. But in allopathic mode of treatment, the medicines are mostly synthetically prepared.
So, what are the side effects in this system and in that system? Is there any side effects in
Yes, sir. So in allopathic mode of treatment, there are mostly side effects are there in every medicine, but in natural mode of treatment or the natural treatments like homeopathy and Ayurveda, there is less side effect as compared to allopathy, or almost equal to no side effect.
homeopathic founder? Who is the founder of homeopathic medicines?
Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann, a German physician, he is the founder of homeopathy.
ଆଉ ଥରେ କୁହ କ'ଣ ନାଁଟା?
Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ସାମୁଏଲ ହାନିମାନ, ହଁ ୱି ନୋ ସାମୁଏଲ ହାନିମାନ।
Yes,
ଆଚ୍ଛା
yes.
ସୁଶ୍ରୁତ ଚରକ ଏମାନେ କିଏ ସବୁ? ହୁ ଇଜ ସୁଶ୍ରୁତ, ହୁ ଇଜ ଚରକ?
So they are the pioneers of Ayurveda. Susruta is a great surgeon from Ayurveda background, and Charaka is
Physician.
physician
Physician.
related medicine mostly.
Yeah, dealing medicine.
and who is আর্যভট্ট?
Aryabhatta.
আর্যভট্ট বা আর্যভট্ট কি?
So
আর্যভট্ট
Aryabhatta is a scientist who discovered.
କହ
Sorry,
କ'ଣ?
sir.
ନାଇଁ ସେ ସର୍ଜରୀ ପରିଶୋଧନ ଥିଲେ ଜିରୋ ଡେସିବଲ୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଯୋଉଟା ଜିରୋ ସେ ଡିସ୍କଭରି କରିଥିଲେ।
Yes, sir.
ଆଉ ପଠାଣି ସାମନ୍ତ କିଏ?
So Patani Samanta is a scientist who discovered universe, and on the name of whom the Patani Samanta planetarium is also in Bhubaneswar.
ସେ କେମିତି ଅବଜର୍ଭ କରୁଥିଲେ? ଦେयर ଇଜ ନୋ ଟେଲିସ୍କୋପ ନଥିଙ୍ଗ, କେମିତି ଅବଜର୍ଭ କଲେ?
So by use of bamboo sticks,
ବାଉଁଶ ନଳି ଭିତରେ
bounce on all, sir.
ସେ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ଗ୍ରହ ତାରାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଗବେଷଣା କରିଥିଲେ।
Yes, sir.
ଏନିୱେ ସାର୍
ଅଳ୍ପ ଚର୍ଚ୍ଚା।
You are from Ganja district.
Yes,
Ganja.
sir.
Can you say what are the districts adjoining to your district?
Yes, sir. Khordha district, Noyagarh district, Kandhamala district, sir, Gajapati district, and Andhra Pradesh is also bordering Ganjam.
Yes. How many blocks are there in Ganja? You are working in which place?
Sir, I am working in Raulkela.
Oh, Raurkela. Now, but before
Yes,
that?
Before that in Chandbali, Bhadrak.
Oh, Chandbali, Bhadrak. Acha, acha. When you were shifted to Utkalamani, Raurkela for teaching job?
Sir, I have been there since 1 year.
Oh, acha, acha. It is good that you have qualified yourself. Tell me something about this heritage sites, national, your UNESCO heritage sites in Odisha as well as in India, anywhere. How
Sir,
many you know?
Konarka temple is a UNESCO
Ah,
heritage site.
then? And any other you know?
Sorry, sir, right now I am not able to.
Acha. What is UNESCO?
United Nations Educational and Scientific Cooperation Organization.
Cooperation organization.
Collaboration, sorry, sir.
କଲଚରାଲ
Cultural,
ଲାଷ୍ଟକୁ
yes,
ଛାଡ଼ି ଦଉଛି ସେଇଠି ଏଜୁକେସନ
Science, Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Yes, sir.
No, you are very good. Your
ୟୁ
delivery
ଆର୍
is
ମଲ୍ଟି
good.
ଡାଇମେନସନାଲ ପର୍ସନ।
Ah,
ଏତେ ଗୁଡେ ଜିନିଷ ତମେ କଭର କରିଛ, ୟୁ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଏ ବେଟର ଚାନ୍ସ
you are
ଇନ୍
very,
ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଦିସ୍ ଟାଇମ୍।
you are very good.
ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଠିକ ଭାବରେ
Thank
କର
you, sir.
But one thing, you are from a vernacular school and also +2 from Mundamari.
Yes, sir.
Where is Mundamari Science? Your father was there, nearby that.
No, sir, my uncle's home is there.
Oh,
So it is
acha.
also
Very
few
rural.
kilometers away from Polasara. So
Acha.
from my hometown, it is nearby.
Oh,
So I went for that college.
acha, acha. Okay, okay.
So my education is mostly in my village up to +2.
Ah.
After that, I shifted.
No, good, but your English is very good also. You are from a vernacular school, but your
Language is good.
language communication skill is very good.
ବାପା ମା ସ୍କୁଲ ଟିଚର ଥିଲେ
Ah,
ପୁରା
very
ପଢେଇ
good.
So my father was teaching English,
Ah,
ବହୁତ ଭଲ,
English,
ବହୁତ
science
ଭଲ,
and math.
ଭଲ
both.
ଗ୍ରାଫ୍ସ କରୁଛ
ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଏଜୁକେସନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ଭଲ education ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, right?
ଶୁଭ୍ରାଂଶୁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି very justified in your
You should know some cultural,
Cultural
activities or
background.
like where is Onam being, what is the Onam festival? Where it is being?
Sir, it is South Andhra Pradesh.
No. Onam is in Kerala.
Onam, yes, sir.
Kerala and Tamil Nadu, some portion of Tamil
Yes, sir.
Nadu. And when it is being celebrated?
ହେରିଟେଜ ଭାଷା
For what?
ହେରିଟେଜ
Sir.
ସେଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବ
Yes,
ହେଲା?
sir, yes, sir.
And why Sanchi is famous?
Sir, Sanchi Stupa is there
Ah.
in Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, it is in
Madhya
Madhya Pradesh.
ୟେସ୍
Ah.
ଏ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିଛି
ଏଇଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେ ସ୍ତୂପ
Why
ନିର୍ମିତ
Sanchi
କିଏ
Stupa is
କରିଥିଲେ?
so famous?
Sir,
When it was built?
Buddhism, It is promoting Buddhism, but
yes.
sir, I don't have large amount of knowledge for this.
ପଢିଛି ତ।
ପଢ
ଠିକ
ଟିକେ।
ଅଛି
ପଢ ଭାଇ, you are good, you are good.
ଜଷ୍ଟିଫାଏଡ ଇନଫର୍ମେଟିଭ ବି ଯାହା ମୁଁ ବି ଲେଖିଛି ସାର୍ ବି କହିଲେ ମଲ୍ଟି ଡାଇମେନ୍ସନାଲ ଭଲ
ମଲ୍ଟି
ଜାଣିଛ
ଡାଇମେନ୍ସନାଲ
ଗୋଟା କଥା ହଉଛି
ଏତେ ଗୁଡେ ଜିନିଷ
ଶୁଣ,
ଜାଣିଛ
ଠିକ ଅଛି ସାର୍ ୟୁ ସୁଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଷ୍ଟିଲି
Yes,
ବହୁତ
sir.
ତର କରିକି ମାନେ ସାଥ ଦଉଛୁ ମାନେ ଯେମିତି ଏକାଥରେ ଟାଇମ
पण ମାନେ
ଏଇଟା
ପାଣି
ପୁରା
ଗଡିଲା ବେଳେ ଏକାଥରେ ଗାଡୁଛି।
ନା ନା ସେଟା ଠିକ ନୁହେଁ
ଟେକ୍
ଗୋଟେ
ପଜ।
ପର୍ସନାଲିଟି ଯେତେବେଳେ କହିବ ରହିବ ଜଣଙ୍କର ସେ ଠିକ ବୁଝେଇ କହିବ ଯୋଉଟା କି ମନେ ରହିଯିବ ଅନ୍ୟର ଇମ୍ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ ହେଇକି ଲାଷ୍ଟିଂ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରେସ
ଗୀତ ଗାଇଲା ଭଳି ନୁହେଁ
Yes.
ପଜ ରଖି ରଖି କୁହ
ଆଉ ଭାଲିଡ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରଖିବ ଯେତେବେଳେ କହିବ ମୁଁ ଅପସନାଲ କଣ କହୁଛୁ ମୁଁ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଏଡ ହେଇପାରିଲିନି କିନ୍ତୁ ଭାଲିଡ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କହୁନି ଗୋଟେ ରୁମ୍ ଦିଟା ରୁମ୍ ତିନିଟା ରୁମ୍ ଚାରିଟା ରୁମ୍ ଏମିତି ତ ସବୁଆଡେ ସେମିତି ଅଛି ସ୍କୁଲ ଏଜୁକେସନ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଇଜ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଦର ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଚଳୁଛି
Sir,
we have
बिल्कुल
to
room भी
accommodate
नहीं.
and adjust
Sir, वो dispensary रे
ତୁମେ
बिल्कुल
ଭାବନା ଶୁଣ ବାବୁ ତୁମେ ଭାବନା ଯେ ତୁମେ ଆସିଗଲ ଓଏସ୍ ଯେ ଭଲ ରୁମ୍ ଗୋଟା ପାଇବ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ଯୋଉଠି ଦିଅ ପଛେ କାମଟା ସେମିତି
नहीं sir, ମୁଁ तो पाइबिनी, but my patients are suffering in my dispensary.
ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡ
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟାକୁ କହିବ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି ଯୋଉ ହାଜାର୍ସ
ହଁ,
ଗୁଡା
ହଁ।
ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଓଏସ୍ ଜଏନ୍ କରିବି ମୁଁ
ସ୍କୋପ
ସେଇଟାକୁ
ପାଇବି ତାକୁ
mitigate
ଆଡ୍ରେସ କରିବା ପାଇଁ,
Address
ମିଟିଗେଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ। So I will
ଯୋଉ
get scope.
ଇନଫ୍ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
ଆଉ
ହଉଛି this can be
ଆଉ
solved by
ଭଲ ତୁମର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ବିଷୟରେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବିଷୟରେ ତୁମ ଏରିଆ ବିଷୟରେ ଯାହା ପଚାରିଲେ ପୁରା ହେରିଟେରୀ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି
ଆମର କଣ ଭଲ
Heritage
ହେରିଟେଜ
ground
ଟାକୁ
ସବୁ।
ବେଶୀ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଜାଣିଛୁ, ଯୋଉଟା
ଆଉ
ପଚାରୁଛୁ।
ସ୍କିମ୍ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଯୋଉଟା ବି ଜାଣିଛ ତୁମେ
ଆଣ୍ଡ
କହୁଛ
ମେଡିକାଲ ଦିସ୍ ଆୟୁଷ୍ମାନ ଭାରତ।
ଆୟୁଷ୍ମାନ ଭାରତ
that
ତୁମର ତ
new-
ହୋମିଓପାଥି କହୁଛ
Yes, sir.
ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଆୟୁଷ୍ମାନ ଭାରତ ପ୍ରତି
ଆୟୁଷ୍ମାନ ଭାରତ ବିଷୟରେ ପଚାରିବେ,
ଅଛି।
ବିଏସକେ
ତା ଭିତରେ ଅଛି ହୋମିଓପାଥି
Yes, sir. Sir, under Ayushman Bharat, Ayush Arogya Mandira sir established.
ହଁ
which
ଏବେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଛି
ରାଇଟ୍, ନୂଆ ହେଇଛି
Yes.
ଏଟା।
ତବେ ଜାଣିଛୁ
ଜାଣିଛି ଭଲ ଭଲ। ବଟ୍ ଜାଣ ସେ ଇଭେନ୍ ବିଏସକେ ୱାଇଜ ମାନେ ପଚାରି ପାରନ୍ତି, ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଦ
BSK
ସ୍କିମ୍
ପଚାରିବେ,
ଆଣ୍ଡ
ଏଇଟା
ହାଉ ଇଟ୍
ପଚାରିବେ।
କ୍ୟାନ୍ ବି ଆଇ ମିନ୍ streamlined to the government of India scheme. Now that is being I mean that is being consulted.
ଗୋପବନ୍ଧୁ
They have changed now.
ଅଲରେଡି ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଗଲାଣି
ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଗଲାଣି, ନାଁଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଗଲାଣି।
ନାଁଟା ଖାଲି ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବ ସିଷ୍ଟମଟା କମନ ଅଛି
ହଁ,
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସୋ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଲକ୍ ତମ ପରୀକ୍ଷା
all
କେବେ
the best.
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Sir,
ପରୀକ୍ଷା
28 ରେ ଅଛି.
28 ତାହେଲେ ବଢିଆ ହେଇକି ଆଉଥରେ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇ ଆସ
ହଁ sir.
ହଁ
ଆଉ
ଭଲ।
ଥରେ ଆସିବି.
ଆସ ଯଦି
ନାଇଁ ଯଦି
Where
ଚାହିଁବ
from-
ତୁମ ତମେ ଯିବା
if you
ଆସିବା
want,
କରୁଛ
ରହୁଛ
ତମ
କୋଉଠି?
option.
ରହୁଛ
ତମେ ନ
କୋଉଠି?
ଚାହିଁଲେ
Sir,
ନ
ଏବେ
ଆସ।
ତ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ଅଛି, ଛୁଟି ନେଇକି ଆସିଛି କିଛି ଦିନ
ଓହୋ
ପାଇଁ.
ନାଇଁ ସୁବିଧା ହେଲେ ଆସିବ ନହେଲେ ନାଇଁ, ତମେ ଯାହା କହୁଛ ବହୁତ ଭଲ
ହଁ।
କହୁଛ
ବଢିଆ ଯେତିକି ଫାଷ୍ଟ
ଏତିକିରେ ବି
ପରଫରମାନ୍ସ
ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ।
ବଢିଆ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରେସିଭ
Yes, sir.
Are you stand a very good chance?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Your presentation is good, your English is good,
Yeah.
analysis is good.
ଏଭ୍ରିଥିଙ୍ଗ ଯୋଉ ଯୋଉ
Yes.
କୁହାହେଲା ହେଷ୍ଟ ହବନି ହେଷ୍ଟ ମୋଟେ ନାହିଁ ହେଷ୍ଟ ମେକ୍ସ ଦରକାର
Coming from a
ନାହିଁ
rural background in a vernacular school, your English is too good.
Yes, sir.
ଟିଚର୍ସ ତମ
Sir,
ବାପା
I am
ଅଛନ୍ତି
teaching in my college, so that is why.
That is also
Oh,
fluency has improved.
Very good.
Good.
thank you, sir.
All the best.